Source: Timothy Hansen, Android Central. Update February 15, 4:25 p.m. Eastern Time, rolling out to all workspace users. What you need to know. Gmail's handy feature for narrowing down search results in order to locate certain files faster is coming to Google Drive with a new beta update. Google announced today that search chips are available on Google Drive as a beta update. As you might expect, it allows you to refine your search results when looking for specific files stored in Drive. This capability makes the search process faster, taking irrelevant results out of the equation. Source: Google. Search chips appear only after you've entered your initial query. Above the list of results, you can use different chips to refine your search further. Multiple chips can be used at the same time as well. These filters include file location, attachment type, people, the date a file was last modified, and Android 13 Preview 1. What's new? What's coming in the next version of Android? Check out our hands-on with the first Android 13 Tiramisu developer preview build. 0 seconds of 54 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. NC Kung Kicks and XXR 1 need a life for i5 Pi. Nissan. Sound 5 time. The process helps ensure that the results are as close to your query as possible. More importantly, it also speeds up the method, so you don't lose much time sifting through results you don't want. Drive search chips are available to all workspace tiers. You can filter your search results on the best laptops, though it is unclear if you can do the same on Android. It's worth noting that Gmail's Android app picked up search chips in September, so the same functionality arriving for Drive's mobile app is not out of the. Google says the beta program will be open to domains in the coming weeks. If you are an eligible end user, you can also join the beta program by clicking here. If you are approved, you will have access to the chips in the Google groups provided during sign-up. Update February 15, 4:25 p.m. Eastern Time. Search chips out of beta, rolling out now. After a brief beta phase, Google has announced that search chips are now generally available, meaning you'll no longer have to sign up for the beta to use the new featured search chips will roll out to Workspace and G Suite users over a 2-week period starting February 15th. Better pictures through AI. Object Eraser on the Galaxy S22 can remove shadows and reflections. Samsung's Object Eraser is getting a big upgrade on the Galaxy S22 family, which ships with One UI 4.1. HBO to the Max. These are the best movies on HBO Max right now. HBO Max has a variety of original films and fan-favorite movies streaming now for subscribers, including new releases from Warner Media. Here's a full rundown of the best movies on HBO Max this month. I Can't Hear You. Review: The Motorola Moto Buds SANC want to be heard but can't. The Motorola Moto Buds SANC were built to take on other options in the $150 price range. In spite of promising possibilities, the results reveal gaps that affect how good the whole package could have been if certain pieces were in place. Charging on the go. These are the best Google Pixel 6 card chargers right now. In celebration of the new Google Pixel 6 hitting shelves, we've rounded up a list of the best USB-C compatible card chargers for Google Pixel 6 on the market right now.